of digital marketing in India is already huge and it is only going to become bigger and bigger and bigger. I'll tell you why. I got the statistics from the website called Indian Brand Equity Forum, which said in 2016 we were 29 crore online Indians, and this website said in 2023 we would be 66 crore online Indians. And this huge transition is because of three major reasons which is going to add to the scope of digital marketing in India. Number one, the price of the internet. 1 GB of internet data in 2016 before Jio came was somewhere around 252 rupees for an entire month, and then in 2016 Mr. Mukesh Ambani came to India with the launch of Jio, and with Jio the new prices of internet became 250 rupees per month for 1 GB of data per day. So we moved from 1 GB of data per month to 1 GB of data per day. And the fun fact is that we are now the world's cheapest country in terms of data prices. That is point number one. And point number two, this is again another fun fact, that we are now the world's second cheapest country in terms of smartphone prices. You can buy a fully functional smartphone in India in under rupees 5,000. A smartphone which has Facebook, Instagram, Google, YouTube, WhatsApp, everything that you want in under rupees 5,000. And point number three, our current Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi, is always talking about digital India. And because of these three major reasons, India is now definitely digital India. You know, everybody is now online, on their smartphone, using the internet. Wherever in this country they are, town, city, village, internet is just spread everywhere. I was reading this very interesting and important statistics from the website called news18.com, which said Indian youth spend 6 hours on an average per day on the internet every day. It said during COVID, digital consumption of every Indian youth went up from 6 hours to 12 hours per day, including digital tablets, television, phone, smartwatches, everything put together. I think most of the Indian youth look a lot like this before they sleep at night, because I'm sure I look like this every night before I sleep. In this picture, what you need to understand is that the person in the picture is still a customer, and the device which the person is holding in their hand is a new marketing medium. And what are all these people doing on their phone? Research says that what people are doing on their phone before they sleep at night are divided into two broad categories. Broad category number one, most people are spending all their time on social media websites. Broad category number two, most people are going to Google, type something on Google and then finding a website and then doing something on that website. And that is the scope of digital marketing in India. This tells you something really basic, that if you want to promote your website or your product or your business, these are the two places which you need to be popular on. Either you need to be popular on a social media website where your target audience is, or you need to ensure that when the same person goes and types something on Google related to your business, your website shows up first. All marketing is going to be absolutely online. We are going to be 100 crore online users by 2025. And due to the impact of COVID, every business owners have recognized the fact that they need to go online because there is no other option these days. According to financialexpress.com, digital advertising industry in India is expected to reach 35 crore market size by 2023, and out of this, the highest portion of the spends on digital is currently claimed by social media, which means businesses are already spending a huge amount on social media. And if you know your digital marketing well, people are willing to pay you a lot. Well, digital marketing is a huge place, so let me just briefly explain the top 3 most demanding specialist role in digital marketing. Number 1, paid media specialist. Now, if you want your website to be extremely popular, you need to definitely advertise over Facebook, Instagram or Google. People who know how to do sponsored ads on Facebook, Instagram or Google are the actual people who bring traffic to your website. If there is no traffic on your website, it means there is no sales happening on your website. So one of the most relevant skills right now is paid media specialist. And the second most demanding specialist role in digital marketing is SEO. Search engine optimization is still a top paying skill. According to internetlifestats.com, the latest data shows that Google processes over 99,000 searches every single second. This makes more than 8.5 billion searches a day. So what people really need is to get their website ranking on the first page of Google for the right kind of keywords. The third one is social media marketing specialist. Now, if you don't have money to spend on paid ads like Facebook or Google, or to invest your money in an SEO specialist, the quickest way to get people come to your website is through social media marketing, which means posting really good content on social medias like Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube, which can eventually go viral. So if you know any of the top 3 skills which I mentioned just now, you can earn a great living for yourself either in a domestic currency or in an international currency. The best place to check for jobs in digital marketing is LinkedIn. Just go to LinkedIn and search for digital marketing in jobs, and you can see that every day new openings are coming for digital marketers, and all these companies are looking out for digital marketers. So if you have the right skills in digital marketing, you can either apply for a really high paying job, or you can just sit at home like a freelancer and still earn money as a secondary source of income or even as a primary source of income. If you want to be highly paid, a digital marketing skill is a great addition to your skill set. Coming to IPSR, we are the world's leading Red Hat training and certification partner. If you just type RHCE in Google, the first result which you can see is IPSR. We were able to achieve this first page result only because our team is having a strong digital marketing foundation. All our promotional activities for both products and services are done through digital marketing. And we were able to reach our services to more than 60 plus countries, and all of this was possible only through digital marketing. We share this expertise in digital marketing to our students. We train them with the proven strategies in which we were successful in. What we do here is we first make them understand the different digital marketing platforms. Then we also give a WordPress website where they can practice the different modules of digital marketing. They implement all the SEO techniques that they have learned on this WordPress website. They create blogs, they create videos, they create social media pages. We make them do things practically so that they'll get a clear idea of what is working and what is not working. We also create ideathon contests to boost their ideas on how to do creative posts on social media that attract clients. I don't think any sort of learning happens unless you do the things practically. So here at IPSR, we give you an opportunity to learn and practice digital marketing along with exposure to live projects. We also provide this optional international internship to the required students who are planning to move abroad for their higher studies like MBA through our subsidiary company Valiant Technologies in UK and USA. So people who are planning to move abroad for their higher studies in UK, USA or Canada, they can start this skill training and opt for this international internship in digital marketing, where they'll get an international certificate through our subsidiary Valiant Technologies. Coming to placements, we have a dedicated placement division with 1,600 plus tie-up companies, and these companies are approaching us for skilled digital marketing candidates, and we are in lack of skilled digital marketing candidates. So as I said, the scope of digital marketing in India is already huge, and it is only going to become bigger and bigger and bigger. Because 5G is going to come to India, phones are getting cheaper and cheaper, and we are going to be 100 crore online users. And because of this, the scope of digital marketing is going to be huge in the future of India.